Hi everybody, welcome to week 5. Just a real quick video to get your week going for you. Just want you to see what you have coming up. So here we are, week 5. You have two things to do this week. You're going to read chapter 21, which is on the value of multicultural education, and respond to the prompts that I have out on Moodle for you. You'll be working in your small groups as always. And then the other activity this week, I'm sure you're familiar with it, you've been thinking about it for a couple of weeks now, is to write your professional article review. And so with that, remember I have some video guidance for you out here on how to develop your review of your two articles. I have an example out here for you. I also have some information on how to understand the Turnitin report. I just want to talk briefly about submitting your article under the professional articles review slot. It is through Turnitin.com, which generates that originality report. I'm betting you've probably seen it before, but if you haven't, again, there's that document right there to help you know how to understand it. What I do want you to know is that the way I have set the Turnitin for this class is that you can submit to the Turnitin site multiple times if you would like to see how your report looks against the editing features of the Turnitin. That's one of the qualities that I do like, is that it highlights grammar errors, highlights suggested word changes, spelling errors, things that maybe you've gotten a little too close to and you just didn't notice. And so I would let the tool do a little work for you and submit your document when you're ready to do a first edit on it and see how it comes out. You can submit it as many times as you like up until the due date, which is the last day of class, October 2nd. I'm looking forward to your papers. Remember, you select one issue from the list that I provided for you on Moodle. If you want to research an issue that is not on that list, you just need to talk to me and get it approved before you start. You will find 2 peer-reviewed articles that are current within the last 4 years on the same topic. You will compare and contrast. There is a rubric for you to see how I score, an expectation of what's going to happen in your introduction, what's going to happen in the body of your paper, in your conclusions, also expectations for the title page and the reference page. Everything should be in APA. Again, I don't want to redo the whole video, but just hitting some high points for you. Please do watch the video so you have a little more guidance. The other thing I will tell you is that we are, in addition to this paper that's due this week, we are gearing up for your final week of class, and that's going to include your final artifact project. And that is a 2-part project, and I have just done a video for you and posted it so you can see what's coming up with that particular project. I will mention again, it does dovetail nicely with the work you're going to be doing here in week 5. Sorry, don't mean to give you motion sickness. With your paper, because the research, the reading that you're going to be doing with this paper can help you and be used as you move forward in developing your final artifact and reflection, which are all about a variety of issues that you see as being connected and most important in education today. So that's our cumulative project. I cannot believe we're already talking about wrapping up class, but it's going to be here before we know it. So with that, I hope you have a great week. I am really looking forward to reading your papers. If you have any questions this week while you're writing your papers, please contact me. Remember, you can use your APA book. You also have, and I have opened it up for you, is I'm going to get to it in just a second. Academic Writer is open for you. Again, we have that pilot. You can write in Academic Writer and it will do a lot of support for you in terms of APA. It's basically an electronic APA manual that's embedded within the tool, and it allows you to write right in the tool. If you do use Academic Writer to produce your paper, you will need to download it into a Word document, and then you will have to upload it into Turnitin. And so there's a couple of steps there, but I know you can handle it. Again, I hope you have a great week. I'm looking forward to reading your papers. Let me know if there's anything you need from me. Take care. Bye.